Introducing the 2021 Volvo Xc40 T5 Phev Inscription. 5-door auto in stunning blue, a true marvel of engineering with a 1.5 litre petrol-plug-in hybrid electric engine. This sleek EstateJeep combines comfort, luxury and security with features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking and self-driving capabilities. Rest assured with ABS, lane departure warning and multiple airbags keeping you safe. The chrome package and roof rails add a touch of style, while the limited slip differential and StopStart system enhance performance and efficiency. Plus, enjoy a full multi-point health check, comprehensive warranty and manufacturer serviced guarantee. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details. Drive home in luxury today.